Introducing Alfa-Metal, the International Academy for Professional Military, Bodyguard, and Tactical Courses. Located in the heart of Gabrovo, Bulgaria, our academy offers comprehensive training programs for individuals seeking to excel in these fields. Immerse yourself in our modern hotel base, featuring comfortable rooms, a delightful restaurant, a state-of-the-art gym, a dedicated fighting hall, well-equipped lecture rooms, a spacious conference room, a spa zone, and even a swimming pool. Take your skills to the next level at our outdoor tactical shooting range. Spanning an impressive 17,000 square meters, this range is designed to accommodate the most demanding shooting drills. With its unique layout, up to 15 people can train in teams of 5, each in separate locations within the range's boundaries. As an added convenience, we proudly present Alfa-Metal, our very own fully licensed airport. Join Alfa-Metal today and unlock your full potential in the world of professional military, bodyguard, and tactical training. Experience excellence, innovation, and unparalleled facilities, all within the beautiful surroundings of Gabrovo, Bulgaria.